Mangrove snapper, 2 lobsters. Alright, top of the morning guys, top of the morning, beautiful morning guys. I'm at Wiki Waki, my favorite spot, you know, see there? I just putting out the rods and I just put that one out. I decided to put it out before because the water looks so nice. I put out one of the rods before I even make an intro. But this is the next one, I'm putting out this one, this is the other black rod. So I'm gonna put this one out and see what I can catch now, right? I'm using like cut pilchards, see them there? And I'll cut them up and have them there in the in a little bag. Let's see if I can find, you know, see them there. So I cut it up like and put it in a little bag. So I don't have any knife out here right now. So right, so I'm using cut pilchard. This is a 2 ounce weight, 15 pound trilene, 32 pound leader, fluorocarbon leader. Right, and this is the setup seat there. Right. So I'm gonna put out this rod now and see if I can catch anything. Alright, so let us put it out and see how it goes. Alright. Alright, so here you go. Alright, so that one is out there. What the hell is this one? Alright guys, so both rods are out now, right? That one, I just put that one out with a cut toffee. And this one I just put it out also. I just put up this one too with another piece of cut bait. So I'm gonna wait now and see what I will catch out here this morning, alright? I'm not too long come here now. Yeah man. And I see the weather look nice. Well, they have a little breeze blowing, you know, but the water don't look so rough. The water have good color. This color water is snapper water. So let us see what will happen on this morning. Ah, this one just move off. Oh man, I don't know. Something moved the white one a while ago, you know. Yeah, but it never pull it down or anything. Yeah, something moved the white one. Okay, something happening out here this morning. I see the white rod move a while ago. So alright, so guys, so that is it now. Both rods are out, alright, so stay tuned. This will come back to you. Fish on. See that now? See that? Just get something on this one. But wait, I'm not pulling it. I'm playing with the bait. So false alarm, no fish on. No fish on, alright. But we can stay out there a little more, I see. False alarm. No fish on. So alright guys, as soon as I hook up and I'll get back to you guys, alright? So stay tuned. Fish on guys, fish on. What kind of fish is this now? Feel like a good fish, you know. What kind of fish? Ah, there's a big snapper. Is a snapper this? Fish on, brother, fish on. Gosh. No man. Guys, look at this beautiful snapper. Look at this, guys. Can you see that snapper? That's a beautiful mangrove snapper. Look at this. There. Mangrove. Beautiful. This is a nice snapper, you know, man. So I'm going to measure this fish and let you guys see this fish. Alright, so see it there, guys. See that? So what you seeing there? That is about 13 inches mangrove. Alright? So that's it, guys. Put him in the ice box. Yeah, so I'm still at it, guys. The breeze coming up now. Yeah, the lines are still out there. Sometimes the snappers they bite in the breeze, so I still have the bait out there waiting same way. Hopefully I can catch another one. You know, that's a nice size snapper. That's 13 inches of snapper. Right, that's the right size. Anything under 8 inches, anything under 10 inches, I'm going to let it go, you know. So if I catch another one and I'm under 10 inches, I'm going to let it go. So it have to be like 10 inches and over for me to keep that kind of snapper. Alright, so that first one is 13 inches. And I'm still waiting to catch another 13 or 14 or 15 inches snapper. So the wait is on. Alright, we'll soon come back. So I'm still at it, guys. I'm still here, you know. Searching for food, you know. Yeah, man. Searching for dinner. I just catch a snapper a while ago, 13 inches. I'm still here waiting on another one. I don't know if I'm going to catch another one, but you know, if I don't catch another one, that one can full my belly, you know. Just me alone still. That is one fish. That is just for me alone. I don't want to catch another one that I can share up because I want that one snapper for my dinner, you know. So it's a nice one though, 13 inches, you know, good size. So I'm still out here trying to save me, and hopefully I can hook up another one using cut bait as usual. So let us see how it goes, alright? Still here waiting. See there, rods out there. They're not making any move yet, but that's how the snappers bite sometimes, you know, they bite on and off, on and off. So the rod will be out there with the bait and all of a sudden you just see it just whoops and go down. You know, so that's how they bite. So I still come up, guys. Fish on. Yeah, respect my brother, respect. Yeah. Big up for yourself, man. See there, you know, look, lobster.
Yeah, just clean up one theme.
Yeah. Right. Nice.
I'll show them how to do it again.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, man.
See that now? Cool. Nice lobster this now, yeah, see it? So Kevin, how the best you can cook this now? Can you have shrimp on the grill?
I love grill it enough, so normally because I have my own jerk season mix up normally. Just apply some of that inside, you know.
Come on, shrimp on the grill.
Butter night, you know. Drop him on the grill.
Alright. You know what that we are going to do?
You can try it.
Yeah, grill it. I'll put it on the grill, man. Yeah, alright. So see there, guys. My good friend Kevin, alright?
Right.
Got 2 lobster from him and just clean up for me, alright? So here we are. Grill time. Alright. Alright guys, so that's it, you know, yeah. The end of a fishing adventure this morning. Well, you know, just catch one snapper this morning. You know, I never catch a whole heap of fish. And the water get bad, the breeze come up and stuff, and not feeling anything more, so it's time to move to this place, alright? So, take care guys, and I'll catch you at home. Fish on. Alright guys, so my friend Kevin gave me these 2 lobsters, see them here? 2 lobsters. I got them from Kevin, Kevin's Adventure, a lobster fisherman. See there? And him clean it up for me and everything, you know? Clean it up nicely and stuff. So, we're going to finish wash out the sand out of it. See there? And maybe put it on the grill, alright? That is the 2 lobsters. Alright guys, so this is a snapper I caught today, see there? Alright. Mangrove snapper. 13 inches. See that? So I'm going to just clean it up and take it in the kitchen and wrap it up in some foil paper and put it on the grill or put it in the oven. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, so, but let me clean it up first and then I'll decide what I'm going to do. I have another one in the fridge that I caught some time ago, so I'm going to put it with this one and put it in the foil paper and roast it on the grill or in the oven. Alright, so let's get busy now guys. Clean up this one. I have the other one in the fridge. Alright guys, here we are. Snapper, lobsters. So we catch you in the kitchen. Alright? Fish on.